Hello, my name is Preston from Aurora Middle School, and I'm going to be showing you how to do hands-on equations. First, you need to know that this equals the opposite of x, and this equals x. The green cubes are negatives, and the red cubes are positives. Our first problem is negative 15 plus x equals the opposite of 3x plus 5. So, first I'm going to do a legal move and take away this 5. I'm going to add 5 to each side. So right now, this is a positive 5 and a negative 5, and those cancel each other out because they both equal 0. So you got to add a negative 5 over here also, so that equals negative 20. So you got negative 20 plus x equals the opposite of 3x. So right now I'm going to do a legal move. You can add the same thing to each side. So I add 2x to each side. Another legal move is that you can take away a pair of 0, which is an x, and the opposite of x, which equals 0. So I'm going to take away 2 of those. So now I'm left with negative 20 plus x, 3x, equals the opposite of x. Now I'm going to add the opposite of 3x to each side. So that I can take away 3 pairs of 0 from this side. So now I'm left with negative 20 equals the opposite of 4x. So now I have to divide negative 20 by negative 4 to get 5. But this is the opposite of x, so you have to take the opposite of 5, which is negative 5. So x equals negative 5. Our next problem is the opposite of 3x plus 5 plus x equals 2x plus negative 3. So right here, I'm going to add positive 3 to each side. So this would be a pair of 0 over here, and over here, there would be an 8. So I'm going to do a legal move right here where you can take the same thing from each side. So I'm going to take an x from each side. Now I'm going to add 3x to each side. So there are a pair of zeros over here, so I'm going to have 1 pair of 0, 2 pairs of 0, and 3 pairs of 0. So now I have 8 equals 4x. So now I'm going to divide 8 by 4. So 8 divided by 4 equals 2, so x equals 2. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, our next problem is the opposite of 3x plus 5 plus x equals okay, 2x. It looks like our next problem is the opposite of 3x plus 5 plus x equals 2x plus negative 3. So right here, we're going to make a pair of 0 by adding 3x to each side. No, not 3x, dunce. Our next problem is wrong way. Okay.